Hi guys, this is Amina over here. Today we will be doing a brown smoky look. I have already posted a picture on Instagram after I did that look and many people asked me how do you do that. So let's get started. So for the first thing, I'm gonna first put back all my hair.
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am.
So after we are done with that, I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer.
Here I
A lot of you people tell me that Nivea is a very heavy moisturizer and all, so I'll be like putting it near my video. You can see there are images. I will be putting images so you can have a better idea and clarity. There are for few products which are really good for oily skin moisturizers, which are really good. Few of them are Biotique. Biotique is really good. It's very light and it is not very heavy. And another one I would recommend is a Pond's gel. A new formulation has come, a gel moisturizer. So you can try that also if you're an oily skin type, but please don't skip moisturization. Like in every video, I'm just saying this: don't skip moisturization. It's really important. There are even moisturizers like Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer, and there is a Cetaphil moisturizer. And you can also use shea butter, argan oil. These are really good and they are very light on your skin if you're an oily skin type. But please don't skip moisturizer. Next up, I'm gonna take Lakme. I'm gonna allow that to sit, and I'm directly going on to my eyes. I'm going to conceal my eyes first. So for that, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and squeeze. So I'm just gonna like blend this all out. I usually do not apply an eye primer or anything of that sort. All I do is apply concealer. If you're comfortable by using eye primer, go ahead. But I'm more comfortable with my concealer. So I'm just going to do that.
Honestly.
Yes.
So after that, I'm going to take the Nicka Case palette. I'm going to use this shade from here, this light brown shade. I'm going to take a little duster off and I'm going to use that. I'm going to apply it all over my crease. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. This one, I'm going to go in with this. So I'm going to take that on my, dust it off, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. You got to blend till your hands actually fall off. That's the best technique for makeup. The more you blend, the better the results. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with a little more brownish kind of shade. I'm going to go in with this again. I'm going to dust it off and I'm going to fill in again. So once that's done, my eyes are done for now. I'm not completed it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and complete my entire face. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 312 Golden. I'm gonna give it an eye shake. eyes, I'm gonna go ahead with the Pro Conceal and I'm gonna like give it a nice squeeze.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am. Making up.
So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything into place with Maybelline in the shade More in medium, and I'm gonna take that in my sponge and I'm gonna like set my under eyes. So once all of this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and complete my brows. The lockdown in India has like the time period has increased to 3rd of May. I don't know how many more times I'm gonna say this in the video, but I actually forgot my eyebrow pencil at my home bag. I'm at my uncle's place. I'm gonna do it with the eyeshadow palette and the brushes that I have with me. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take in, I'm going to go in with this shade directly, this shade, the greyish shade. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna just fill in my brows. I'm not gonna do anything fancy, just fill in my brows. So that's one brow done, the other one I'll do it. So my brows are done. If you feel it's extra, just do this. I never found the necessity to buy a spoolie because I always had a spoolie attached to my eyebrow pencil, so it was more convenient, and I'm like, I should have just bought it. So I'm just gonna make this more sharpened. Then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And if you people already have like curled lashes, you can just apply a coat of mascara, but I'm gonna just curl my eyelashes because I have very straight ones. That's that. I'm gonna take the Butterfly Intensa from L'Oreal and I'm just gonna apply that to my lashes.
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am. Making up.
Once that's done, I'm gonna complete my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brown shade that I used, this one and this one. I'm gonna take it in my fluffy brush. You can take a flat brush. I didn't get my makeup stuff, and whatever I'm having, I'm just adjusting and doing with that. So I'm just gonna like connect it like this. So for this look, I'm gonna go ahead with a little more brown, and I'm just gonna finish this side. The post that I had, I actually never applied any sort of highlighter. I was just applying a little bit of blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a blush, and I'm gonna go in with the same eyeshadow palette. Actually, all of these are shadows, and these 4 are blushes. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna like.
Here I am. Making
The blendability of this palette is really good actually. I always apply a little bit on my nose too to give that flushed kind of effect. So to complete off everything, before I go ahead, I just want to say that I curl over my mascara to give that more dramatic kind of look to my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna do that. Can you see the difference? This is it. You don't even need falsies. I have learned this thing by chance accident. I just did it once and I'm like, whoa, I don't need any falsies. That's it. Your eyes are like full on dramatic. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in my upper line with kajal. So I'm gonna take the Magnet Eyes by Faces Canada, and I'm gonna just fill in my upper waterline.
Here I am, making the
So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and buff everything out. I'm gonna go ahead with lipstick from Lakme 925 in with primer and matte. This is, I don't think you can see it, primer and matte, and this is in the shade Choco Break. I'm gonna use that because everything, like eyes are brown and you're flushed and you want your lips also to be really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. This is a very nice chocolatey kind of color. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but yeah, it's a very chocolatey kind of color and complements the look very well. And this is it. It is done. So this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do like my videos, do share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to this channel. And I'll be coming up with more fun tutorials. And I actually plan to do all the videos of all the makeup looks of all the pictures that I've uploaded in Instagram. So this is one of it. I'll be attaching my Instagram handle down below, so don't forget to check it out and don't forget to follow me over there. And I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.